Hi my dinos, Sharky Shark here. How's everyone doing during the time of coronavirus? I know it's hard staying inside and not seeing your friends, but isn't it amazing to have our parents at home with you? This is a time to tell each other how much you appreciate each other. Appreciate means that you're really glad you have someone like your parents in your life right now, and also a time to learn about each other. Some kids don't have that, so make sure you give your parents a big hug. And I know you're a creative thinker, so after this video, I want my dinos to draw something dino-rific for them. Can you do that for me? I knew I could count on my dinos. Now remember, there's a link provided below in the Show More button for you to print out the worksheet. Okay, first, let's write our name. Today I chose purple to write our name. Don't you love the color purple? It means royalty, like a king or a queen. Isn't that interesting what colors could tell? Great job at writing your name. Now, let's read the directions. It says, help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Let's read it one more time. Help the 3D shape escape from the 2D world. Today's shape is a cube. Are you ready to see what a cube looks like? But first, we have to color all the squares. I know my dinos know what squares are. Remember squares have 4 sides? I knew you remember. Let's color the first square. The first square I'm going to color it purple. Just like my name. What does purple mean? Did someone say a king or a queen? Yes, it means royalty. There's no order of which square to color first, but make sure you color every single square a different color. I'm going to start with the left one. Don't worry about coloring outside the lines. We are going to cut off whatever we draw over the line, so don't worry about it, dinos. I'm coloring this cube orange. Can anyone tell me a fruit that's the color orange? Did someone say orange? Great job. Okay, dinos, you're on the right track now. The next square, I'm coloring it a bright yellow-green. What color are you coloring that square? Oh, that's a great color. That's one of my favorite colors. How are my dinos doing with this worksheet? You pretty much got it, right? Okay, now that we're done coloring the middle box, or whichever box you're coloring, let's go for the next one. This one, I'm going to choose a red. What color are you coloring your box? Oh, that's a great color. It's just so bright. Terrific teamwork, dinos. I'm so glad we're doing this together. We're all in this together. Okay, the next box. I'm going to color it an aqua blue. What color is your square? Oh, that's a great color. You have such a creative color palette, dinos. Would have never chose that color. But now that I have my dinos with me, I could definitely create a great color palette like my dinos do. You should be proud of yourselves. Okay, last square. I'm going to color it brown. It's like a bright brown, almost like an orange, don't you think? Okay, now that we're done, let's read the directions. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. Let's read it one more time. Cut out the shape and build it using glue or tape. So we are going to cut out all around the edges. Okay, dinos? We need a scissor for this though. Do you have your scissor and tapes ready? Okay. If you're not ready, just pause the video and grab your supplies and restart the video, okay, dinos? Make sure to use safety scissors for you dinos. Your fingers are very important. Or, also, if you don't have safety scissors, ask your parents to cut out the cube. There's nothing wrong in asking for help, because when you ask for help, that just means it's great teamwork. I know I have the best team because we all work together. My team is called the Mega Dinos, and that's you. You are a Mega Dino. You're almost there, dinos. We're almost done. Now that we're done cutting the shape out, you should be proud of yourself. Are you ready to see what the cube looks like, dinos? Okay, first, you're going to fold every single line you see. Can you do that for me, dinos? First, I'm going to start with the white tabs. I'm going to fold down every single white tab first. And here's the last white tab. Okay, now that we're done folding all the white tabs, you're going to fold every single line that you see. Can my dinos do that? Okay, great job. I know you're going to keep trying, because my dinos don't ever give up. Remember, if you see a line, fold it. Every single line, fold it. What do we do? Every single line, fold it. Now that every single line is folded and the tabs, you're going to put the face on your palm and start folding in the little white tabs to every line. Then you tape it. So I folded the tab in the red and now I'm taping it. Now find the next tab, fold it down, and what do? That's right, dinos, we tape it. Great job! My dinos are the best listeners. So I found the tab, I folded it, I put it under the square, and now what do? Did you say tape it? Great job. Tab to the square and tape it. Now it should look like a box with a lid. Do you see that? You're going to close the lid like a box and tape it. Now there's 2 more sides that needs to be taped. Just grab the tape and tape the sides together. Last one. And there you have it. Here's the cube. Doesn't it look amazing? We have all different colors on each side. I'm so glad that you're here because we figured it out using teamwork. Whoa, you're superstars. But where's the cube? Here it is. Oh, I can't wait to play with it. Let's see what color I get. Oh, there's brown. Oh, there's orange. Oh, there's green. Oh, man. It's okay. I can't wait to see you next week, dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!